Hello everyone and welcome back at another Devlog. It's been a while. I wanted to upload a bit earlier, but I just got lazy. I set a voting poll about how often do you want the devlogs, and you voted once every 2 weeks. So I will try doing that. Thanks for the views on the last video, and let's get to the progress. So before we move on the most noticeable thing I did, which was the graphics, let's first look at the inputs as it was in the last video. So what I really only changed is add new shortcut, which is Control R, which if you select blocks that are red, you select blocks, they turn red, and the blocks that you turn red, the NPCs will follow and destroy them. You can see that on the screen. I think it turned out pretty great. I had not many difficulties with it. I used the A-star algorithm to do that, and the challenging thing was really the pathfinding. The next thing I did was the graphics. I didn't do the graphics, it was my friend, so huge shout out to him. I really like these. I love them, and I had to make a tile map, or it's called tile set, but I call it tile map. I had to do a tile map system where it splits the textures into 128 by 128 and then getting them by their corresponding string, which took me a few tries and still isn't working in the inventory system, which I had to fix in next devlog. Hopefully I will find solution. Why is it displaying the tile map, not the texture? But anyways, the rest was just refactoring old code, renewing some things and making it look much cleaner. The good example is getTile function, which looked really messy, so I made it much better. Next thing I refactored was, I think it was the old system of mining. I'm not sure. I think it was that. And also I tried to refactor the inventory, which it got broken completely. The next thing I refactored is moving the block information from file named items.json into blocks.json and moving items from inventory to items.json file, so I can parse them easily. It might be a nightmare when I get thousands of them and had to manually set them, but that's another story. I thank you for watching. I will put some stats on the screen so you can have a look how it looks. You can join my Discord server in the description, so if I put some sneak peeks you can see it earlier. And I will see you in the next devlog. Please like and subscribe.